Hello everyone. I think yeah, I feel quite better. So skipped 2 days streaming, but it happens because of I definitely could stream. It's like not like this I was dying or something, but why I have to push myself and make things worse. I am believer if you're sick you have to rest, and it's the fastest way to recover, not to grind through it. And yeah, so I was resting and sleeping a lot actually, and I'm considered to be lucky to be able to do that. Um, So off the stream, I ported the game in SDL3, so now it's running in SDL3. I do not know if you've seen that, but there is a loading screen, one Electron universe now. And now I want to update the icon of the door because I like so I made the icon of the bed better icon of the bed, and I kind of like it, and a crafting table. So I am going to update the icon of the door to match with fat lines aesthetic. Okay, so I think I'll do it in Blender probably. Full screen. So I am wondering, I should probably do something like this. It's like probably, yeah, so okay. I'm going to just model the door. I'm just going to model the door. Like this. And sort of to model the frame around. Okay, and active element. Guess like this. Ah, it's like this. So home project game assets. Hmm, where's the door? Okay, so actually I think it's sort of extreme oh, come on. Extreme perspective, so and I think I can do it with the camera forcing. So I need to make big color white and so this is the I think this is the problem with CashOS. It's updating everything very often and doing major jumps, no problem. So it's updated driver of NVIDIA and just recently updated, and every time that it's doing it, it has to rebuild shaders, and modern system it's lazy shaders rebuilding, which is freezing everything. It's like everything is stuttering. The idea is you build shaders once and then everything's smooth, but problem with that, every time that you update it, it's not smooth anymore. We'll see how it's gonna feel for me. So, and I guess I will put like a icosphere here, sort of a doorknob. I guess it should be like this. So, too high maybe. So it should be more or less stylized because it's icon, I guess. Oh man, building shaders. Okay, Control Alt 0, I think. Yeah. So 256 by 256. So I think I want to get super close to that, and then drive the FOV of the camera. Yeah, so to have force perspective. Okay. Yeah. And I think rotate it a bit. Active element Z. Yeah. Okay. So let's save it intermediate door icon. And I think that's it, and I just click render. So GIMP, pull up the GIMP. So let me take the bed as a example, and I'll probably just duplicate it, right? And then open project game intermediate. Where did it go? Oh, I did not save it. Blender render. And I'm not seeing it. Where is it? Oh my god. What are you doing here in this corner? Okay. Save. Okay, Control C, Control V, and put it here. Oh. Anyways, I think it's fine. Delete layer. delete layer. New layer. Paintbrush mode, normal, opacity, pressure size. Basic, simple, basic, dynamic, generic. Can we? Oh, there is a checkbox. Okay. Okay, this is what I wanted. Okay. It's does not look good. So I think that part should go up, and we need to scale it down a bit. Maybe like this. And then maybe that part should go up a bit. Like this maybe. Layer. Layer to image size. I know this one probably should go up. Yeah, kind of matches the vibe, I guess. So save. Yeah. Cool. So that is sorted out. Yeah. So I had a crack in the wall somewhere in the respawn area. Building shaders, you're annoying. Yeah. Things are looking fine here. So I think I saw the crack here. Oh, okay. By distance. What? What's going on here? Anyways, I think we're good now. Still, there is still something weird happening here. I'm not sure. There is still let's see. Yeah, these two vertices being troubleshooters. Now I think we should be good. This was visible in the editor mode, so I need to restart in the editor mode. Yeah, no problem. No leaks. perfectly fine. Okay. So I want to calculate how long it's gonna take to measure how long it's gonna take to kill all mobs. Oh, I as well want to do this arrow, so let's do after I measure how long it takes. So from that point, start timer.
Crystal Sanctuary has to be protected. Okay, 2 minutes 30 seconds. Stop. So I guess I would respawn them to take times 3, right? Guess 2 minutes 30 seconds, 5 minutes 7. So every 8 minutes. I guess it's a reasonable time to respawn them. So 8 minutes and 16 minutes. (2026-06). What day is today? 5.
Yin said hi.
Yin said hi. June 5th. 05. I'm earned how much time it took to kill all mobs in the boss area. It took 2 minutes. So I am thinking to 3x that time to for setting it for the respawn time for the mob respawn time, and 6x time for the boss time. That would be 7 minutes for the mobs and 8 minutes. So now let's do 7:30 minutes and 15 minutes for the boss.
I measured how much time it took to kill all mobs in the final boss area. It took 230 minutes, so I'm thinking to set it to 3x that time for mob respawn time and 6x time for the boss time. That would be 730 min for mobs and 15 min for boss.
Finally, patch the crack in
You make the art for the game too.
Yeah. I make the art for the game too. I have quite a library of assets, so I'm reusing some assets, modifying them. Same thing for sound effects. But this game is fully solo game. There is no art help, no composer help. I may outsource some voiceover, but I think with AI maybe will become even better at the end of the second year of working on that project. So I may not outsource and just use AI because AI way cheaper. Crack in the area.
Finally patched the crack in the respawn area.
Okay, so now let's work on the respawner, I guess. So we'll have class called the respawner. And I guess we should derive it from node only. Class respawner public known public, and all of them are taking some first two specific parameters, which first one is control block, spawner, control block, and second parameter is a parent. So
Have no experience, but I could try at my school's music studio if you want to. You either use it or you don and oppose TLUL.
yeah, try to do something and send it to me. You have the link to technical design document, right? So there is several so you're talking about music, right? Mika technical design game not technical game design document, and there is 5 OSTs are planned. Alien Influencer, All
Music and
Starship, yeah, Cinema, Crystal Sanctuary, and Longing for the Stars. So there is a 5
Or voice effects.
tracks. Yeah, you can send me something if you want. I'll add you to the credits. Okay, what we are doing? Respawner. Yeah, and C2, and then here we need to do these boilerplate things using T.
That way I could say, I worked on your cool game for an interview, until they found out I did no programming law.
Yeah, they looked at the credits and say, and we'll see voiceover or sound effects. Because for my previous game, I made quite long credits. Steam. Let me show you. Yes, this game, yeah. Building shaders. This is Unreal Engine game. It takes forever to run. Credits. Press credits. Executive producer, Mikafire. Lead engineer, Mikafire. Creative director, technical director, art director, environment artist, character artist, concept artist, animation lead, rigging technician, shader material specialist, lightning artist, particle effect artist, VFX pipeline coordinator, service status, level designer, world building, landscape architect, UI UX designer. HUID specialist. Specialist, like why specialist? Input mapping specialist. Accessibility advocate. Actually, there is no accessibility features. Actually, there is some accessibility
Do I access it from Discord?
Yeah.
Cannot oppose TC anything.
Oh, wait a second. Why it's all black? Yeah. I don't know why it's blank. Windows capture. Why you're not capturing what you... Desktop. Where is the word game? Ah. It's not listed in the list. So let me do this way, I guess. Yeah. Here we go. Emergency Panda Wrangler. And then I listed everything what I used. And listed all assets what I used. Anyways. This is the credits, and who knows, we'll have one more one more name in the credits. Yeah.
SMR in Starbucks law.
SMR and Starbucks, yeah. And Panda Wrangler. Oh yeah. Yeah, I have Discord server. You can join it. Or if you already joined. I mean, anyways. I have the server. So that server. It's only I on it. So I'm posting something in the diary and that's it. It's that server. What's going on here? Discord. Oh, yeah. I as well not showing the Discord because I don't want to dox myself. Anywho, a respawner, and then it will talk Ctor, and it will take stat string, JSON, and then double time duration period duration. I guess the duration is fine. So private JSON duration. And share props duration. Okay. So we need those two. Did I? Oh, I misspell respawner. Spawner. Just need two of that. I don't think we can call it final. Respawner is final. Final. Type. Huh? Get type. JSON and duration. JSON. Then move. Mm. Okay. And that thing. Okay, then timer. Mm. So I need to track the duration because I can save at any time, and it should, after loading, it should be so I cannot use timer, which is, I guess, fine. So we need a ticker. And we need what is it? Tick. And duration minus equal dt. If duration less than 0, greater than 0, return. I guess less and equal than 0, get scene, remove this. Oh, where from this. It means simply oh, yeah, observer from this. Okay, and should pass the type string type. ticker. We need to initialize the ticker. And how are we supposed to initialize it with this? Yeah. Yeah. Now it's happy. Okay, node type registry add into scene. Oh, we do not need type. No. Load internal. Scene editor load. Okay, so this is the thing. So what we need to do, stream equals that e string I string stream, and we put here JSON, and then JSON root equals JSON root st, and then JSON root dot root. I think this is not sure. So let me, type we do not need type, no need for type, no need for type, no need for type. I'm going to, why is not, oh my god, log JSON, so mobs JSON. Actually, I have if I press tab I would see the JSON, so let me see if it's valid JSON. Ah, so it is missing parentheses, and that's it, and it will become the valid JSON. What? What the freak? Why door opened? Anyways, so I guess I can just add that here, and that's it. Okay, it's gonna work. Live rock. So when it dies, it would get scene, make owned known, how it's called. Child. No, it's not that, right? It's node types registry add into self get scene iced coffee. What code editor do I use? I use Emacs. It's not very popular text editor. Alex Friedman used to use Emacs, and then he switched to Cursor. Traitor. I actually use Cursor, but I'm using CLI version of Cursor. It's called Agent. add into self initial JSON. I guess I'll call it like this. And we just need oh, wait a second. What? Oh my! No. What I'm doing? It should be get scene. Make on child. Respawner. Big dev environment. Do you mean Emacs in general, or you like my specific setup? Citor dot. Okay, here we go. JSON equals self initial JSON, and you know I can do move because and duration equals 7 minutes 30 seconds. You mean just a setup? Yeah. Thank you. And that's it. And we need to include respawner, and we need to have stat string initial JSON, and initial JSON would be load. How do you spell the code editor name? Oh, okay. Let me type it in the chat.
Mika said Emacs.
Okay. Initial JSON. Oh, what's going on? Why there is no loan? Yeah. No surprise, you know that one. Load JSON const JSON. Oh. What? Haven't used it before because I had burned out from game dev. Then I heard about it. Yeah, I'm using it for 20 plus years, I think. I started using it 2003, I think, somewhere about this time. So I get into Linux, and as well I start getting my first signs of RSI, repetitive strain injury, which I was suffering from that point. So I could not use mouse too much. Keyboard was fine. So I had to find some ways to reduce usage of mouse, and Emacs was one of the solutions for that. So all shortcuts. Mom, JSON, GB. Actually, yeah, put it in protected. Also, I might need mental help because I thought it was a smart idea to write a package manager in Java. I don't know. No, I don't think you need. I don't think you need mental help. I don't think you are insane by having the idea to have a package manager. The deceptive part of package manager, it feels simple, and it feels simple, and nobody were able to solve it. And you think, oh, that's so strange. Nobody were able to solve perfect package manager. And because you feel it's simple, you say, okay, I'll write my own package manager. And probably, so maybe after that, you need mental help. But initial ideas totally makes sense. A lot of people trip on that. I did by myself. So yeah, it feels simple. It's like it's just packages. It's just like a packages, and they just have versions. Yeah, they have a dependency. You just build a dependency tree. What hard? Like, why it's so hard? It's nobody were able to solve it. It's so strange. What's going on here? And the reason is yeah, very simple. There is a NP problem here, because you need to have a resolver which can build a working system based on the rules in your package system. Yeah. So my game I'm building using my own build system, which has a package system. I'm not hitting all these problems which our big package system have, simply because I'm sole user of that. So I need to support only two systems. One is Linux and one in Windows. And Windows I'm planning to support at very end of my development cycle. So it's essentially only one system, and I'm very paranoid about adding dependencies as well. so my game has very little dependency. So hopefully I would not face dependency hell. So it's BGFX, it's Simp, physics engine, and entity component system. So I think this is a list of dependencies. Okay. For dependency heaven. So I need to get the string from V. How can I do it? Also, I'm planning on making a game engine in raw C++ with OpenGL and maybe SDL. Or some sound library, I forgot. Yeah, I don't know. Make the game. Don't make the game engine. Make the no. Make a game. Forget about it. Just make a game. Forget about making game engine. Like nobody is going to. Just make a game. Look at me. Look at me. I am making the game. I'm not making the game engine. Solve real problems. You're making the game, you're solving real problems. You're making the game engine, you solving your imaginary problems, because you're not using it. You have to use it to make the good game engine, and then after you make the game, you can strip out the game part and say, oh, here we go, this is the game engine, and give it away to people. I mean, it's like Carmack did, same thing, right? He made the he made the game Doom, Quake, and then he stripped out the game from that and released tech engines, right? Make a game, and while you are making games, you are solving real problems. Initial JSON. I think auto stream equals stead or string stream, and then save JSON st 0. I think that's it. I think we have respawner. So I set it to 7 minutes, right? So let's set it to 1 minute, so we would see a respawner working. So I'm going to so there is a mob. Oh, not the mob. Live rock. There is spawner. So let's make 1 minute 60 seconds. It's almost 1 a.m. for me. So I'm gonna get off, but subbed and liked, so I'll watch you tomorrow. Hopefully see you tomorrow. Sleep tight, be comfy.
Crystal Sanctuary has to be protected.
You know, I probably should put the mob just like next to myself, because it's going to really hard to debug 60 mobs if something went wrong.
Ince asked, how long did it take to make your engine?
108 days. Okay, we have a crash. So it's, yeah, it's mixed, right? I'm not making like I'm making the engine and then I'm making the game. It's all in parallel. Okay, so 12. Down. So B JSON. Oh, it's empty string. That's interesting. Do we see anything in logs? Ah, it's always empty string. Mob life, rogue died. Log mob JSON.
I hope I learn patience one day so I can make an engine law.
Mob JSON. So what I'm doing wrong? Spawner. So let me stage all that stuff. It's kind of hard to see the diff. Respawner, yeah, here we go. Self initial JSON. Now let me put log here. JSON to the respawner, and actually I can do just a copy because it's not on the every frame, but move should be fine. And in the mob, oh, maybe no. So I need to do that thing. Yeah, okay, so this was the problem. JSON after loan. Anyways, I think I know what was the culprit, but extra logs never going to hurt. Oh yeah, I was thinking, yeah, let's put the mob next to me. Oh man, it's too far away. Where is it? Let's take that mob and copy it. Where's the player? Player, where are you? Oh wait, I'm not seeing the player. Oh my god, that's so far away. Yeah, okay. So there is some kind of issue. I need to restart the game once, and then it's going to work. I probably should fix it. Okay. Come on. Right. And let's wait for 1 minute. Hopefully it will respawn. Yeah, it should respawn. So now, there is a comma here. Why there is a comma here? Yeah, it's gonna crash. Oh, because there is a no type. So I need to provide a type. Yeah, this game is gonna crash. But anyways, let's see. It's crashing. It's a good thing I put logs. Yeah, it crashed. Okay, so what we need to do actually, you need to add that part. Yeah, and that would be fix. Ah, go away from me. No. No. Okay, let's look at logs. Yeah, now it's good. Live rock, and hopefully it would respawn in a minute.
Use the juice library for audio like reverb or echo.
No, all reverb is canned. I just add the reverb in Bitwig. It's a part of SVX. I have actually some implementation of reverberation, but I did not figure out how to plug it in. It's actually in the source code. But right now I think it's fine. I'm just embedding reverberation directly in the sound effect. Come on. Is it minute past or not? Like, it feels like it's already. It should pass, right? Like. It definitely should pass. And I think respawner, yeah, respawner created. Yeah, oh man, I should add the log here. Yes. Spawning the mom. JSON. Yeah, something is not working. Why you started on the wrong screen, on my 4K screen? So I guess it's because updated to SDL3 now. It's kind of knows. Okay, let's this time measure 1 minute. But there is no mob. Mob, where are you? Oh. Hmm. Why did not respawn? Respawning the mob. Visible through static level. Huh. JSON root. Add into. Node.cpp. Add into. Get scene. JSON root. Why it's not working? Should work. Oh, wait a second. Oh my god. Of course it didn't work. Should be like this. Get assets. Mm. Why we need assets? Anyways, let's mark that const. Const. Okay. We actually do not need to pass. It's like nobody is using it. It just oh, okay, so let me remove it. Nobody using assets. So just let's remove that part. So this time it should work. It should happen now. Around now. No. 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 Oh, we crashed. Not an array. I see. Okay, so we need one more tweak. It's just hacking, and I think I'm kind of okay with that. I don't think it's a dirty hacks. But anyways, we need to add one more hack here. It should be nodes something like this. Something like this. I think it's nodes. Save. Yeah, it is nodes. And we need that stuff. More hacks. Hey, it worked, yes!
Crystal Sanctuary has to be protected.
Yeah. Crit. Get lucky with the crit. Oh, they are respawning. They are respawning, yes! Haha! So if I go up and down, anyways, it's going to be oh wow. Wow, guys. Oh, this guy from the top is coming. Oh. So this guy should respawn. Yeah. Where are you? Are you okay? Why are you not respawning? Okay, so we made it work. I made it work. So now let me remove all logs. Boom, 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 boom. Screen size. Left. Passing initial JSON. So put 7 minutes here. Yeah. So it's live rock, and let's do same thing for the Crystal Sanctuary Guardian. Remove. So here, and let's get the implementation from the life rock. Just as simple as that. Put it here and put 15 minutes. Include the spawner. So I think I'll call it for now. I think we are in the good shape. We have respawning mobs. I guess I'll keep it. I'll keep the mob. It's easy to remove, so I'll remove it. Yeah. Okay. Let me review the changes. Yeah. So I'm going to ask agent, I guess, review the code and give it a critique. Let's see what it's saying. Overview. Oh my god.
Overview: the change set does three things: a mob respawn system respawner plus initial JSON snapshot, a splash extraction from main.cpp, and a few startup/render cleanups. The design direction is sound. Playtest driven timers 7:30/15 min documented in the journal. Death animation before respawn scheduling. And the load JSON internal API trim is a nice cleanup. Few spots are brittle or inconsistent. What works well: respawner as a scene node, plus ticker fit the existing architecture. Invisible timer nodes that self-remove after spawning are a clean pattern. And hooing in to check HP after the death animation via timer:defer keeps loot/SFX logic separate from respawn scheduling. Splash extraction is a clear win. Main.cpp is easier to read. And adding e.poll during asset loading means resize events can be handled during the splash. A small but real improvement. Removing assets, and from load JSON internal is correct. It was threaded through call sites, but never used inside the load path. Respawn placement: get scene matches how mobs live in gameplay.json. Direct scene children with nodes. Constructor created children e.g. SK mesh are recreated on respawn, which is the right behavior for these mobs. One initial JSON capture is fragile mob.cpp lines 49-57 auto mob :load JSON const JSON :val and v void physics body :load JSON v JSON deserve v this autosyn equals std :ostring stream hint \type \backslash get type \, save JSON sint 0 initial JSON equals syn str. This hand assembles a JSON fragment instead of reusing save JSON internal. Problems: duplicated serialization logic. Save JSON internal uses JSON ask for the hype. Here it's raw string concatenation. Only captures the mob's own fields. Fine today because JSON mobs have empty nodes, but it will silently drop children if that ever changes. Only runs in load JSON. Programmatically constructed mobs get an empty initial JSON and would respawn as broken objects. Lives on mob base, but only liverock/crystal sanctuary guardian use it. Every mob pays the snapshot cost on load for no benefit. More robust approach. Capture via save JSON internal into a string, or store the original JSON :val subtree at load time. 2. Responder JSON reconstruction is stringly typed responder.cpp lines 27-28 auto then equals std::string stream plus JSON plus \n/nodes \. Auto JSON root equals JSON: root sent. This assumes initial JSON is always a valid partial object body. No validation if parsing fails. You get a hard failure at runtime. Fine for a solo project, but it's the weakest link in the respawn chain.
Magic numbers. Respawn reserve placement not combat state. Full. Yeah, it's gonna have full HP. Screen size clamp is inconsistent. Why it's inconsistent? Constructs clamps minimum but render is sizes. I don't know. Oh yeah, that's a good call. Let's maybe remove that one. Yeah. Yeah, so include timer HPP. Needs are useful. It's a spawner, right? Spawner. And splash. So there is a. Oh no, it's in render. In render.cpp there is a clamp. Yeah, here we go. WH. So there is one concern after save. Spawner. if yeah, I think that should work. So run the editor. So it should update. So I think second run it should be, yeah. Sort of a recursion, but I think it's fine.
Crystal Sanctuary has to be protected.
I don't know if I should wait or not. I guess it's too long to wait for 7 minutes. I think it should be fine. So I was going to make the commit. Let me see. Yeah, I think so. Let's make the commit. Okay.
I have reviewed the changes, proofread the journal entry for June 5th, 2026, and committed the updates. Summary of changes, mob respawning. Introduced a respawner class that handles delayed respawns for regular mobs 730 min and the boss 15 min. Mob data preservation. Added initial JSON to the mob class to store the state needed for respawning. Splash screen refactor. Extracted splash screen and loading logic into a dedicated splash class, cleaning up main.cpp. API simplification. Removed the assets parameter from load JSON internal to simplify the node loading process. Asset updates. Patched geometry in the respawn area within world. Blend and updated the door icons. Journal update. The journal entry for 2026-06-05 was proofread to maintain a casual, personal tone while smoothing out the phrasing regarding the new respawn timings. Git commit. The changes were committed with the following message. 1. Implement mob respawning and refactor splash screen. 2. 3. Introduce respawner class to handle delayed mob and boss respawns. 4. Store initial JSON data in mob instances for use during respawning. 5. Extract splash screen logic into a dedicated splash class. 6. Simplify node : load JSON internal by removing the assets parameter. 7. Update gameplay.json with initial mob states for respawn support. 8. Patch geometry in the respawn area and update door icons.
Okay. Okay, so let's do for global packages by using .mp global. I do not know. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching and hopefully see you next time.